You want orange?
Yes.
Hold on. Got more bubble stuff. Is that good?
Yeah.
Let's close the lid. We need to add salt to make it bubble.
Now mix.
You want to mix it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mix it. Okay. A little bit of water. Mix it, mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mix, 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 mix.
Bubble.
Whoa, blow.
What?
Blow it, go. Here, hold up, hold up. Hold up, watch out, watch out. Hold up. Blow. Whoa, blow it hard, go. Go. We will need a little bit more soap. Now blow, go. Whoa! You did it, blow. Whoa! More, go. You want to drill it? Yes. Go like this and then blow. Careful. Don't put it too close, okay? That's crazy though.
Bubble. Right.
Whoa!
Jimmy.
No, say can I please have it?
Can we have it?
No, blow. No, what did he say? Can I please have it? Look. Ah, it's popped. Look. Oh, let me get it. Here, with this one, go like this. You have to dip it in all the way and then. Oop. It's floating. Whoa. No, what do you say? Can I please have it? Watch out. Look.
Bubble.
You have to dip it in. All the way. Go like this.
I'll bring back.
Now blow. Watch out. Oh, you're getting my clothes dirty.
Cheese.
Whoa, it's a big one. Blow. Oh, that gives you a headache.
Well,
I'm gonna try this. Oh, it's not working. Here, try. Go. Ah! Careful. Look. No, don't put your mouth too close to it, okay? You don't put your mouth too close to it. The soup is yucky. Blow. See? Still get the same effect.
well,
Ooh.
oh,
Ready? Blow. Okay, let's try to make our bubble a bit stronger. Okay? Let's add more soap. Let's add a little bit more soap. And blow.
What?
Blow. Blow. Whoa! Wow! Here you go, hold it. Blow. Don't go too close, okay? The towel is so messy. Here. No, blow. No, you have to go like this. What is popping? Okay. I think we need like a flat. Now let's try the big one.
Okay.
It would be better for outside running, but it's still cold. I think it still works. Go blow. Whoa! Go. Look at you! Blow. Oh, it's still not strong enough. Ooh. Ooh, let's try this one. Let's try the circle one. Hold up. Wait. Whoa! Should we do it again? Let's get bubble on there. You want to blow?
What?
Blow. Whoa! Here, blow. Whoa! That's a big bubble, Antonio. Blow. Blow. Whoa!
What?
Blow. Be careful. Sit one place, okay?
Okay.
No, don't wipe your face. There's soap on your hands. You don't want to get bubble in your eye. Blow.
Whoa!
That's a big one.
Yes.
Blow it again. What? Again? That one is tiny. Let's do this one. This one is bigger and fun. Go. Oh, it's broken. Which one do you want to try? Let's try this one. God bless you. You're welcome. Look. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Blow. God bless you. And tell me when you sneeze, go like this, okay? Go, look at me. Look at me. Go like this, okay? Good job. Look. That's a lot of mess. Time to clean up. Let's clean up. Antonio, clean up. Antonio, we have to clean up.